Hey babes, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya and today's video is another week in my life. It's Monday, it's about like 12:30 or something like that. I have a therapy in like 30 minutes or so. I'm gonna quickly make some coffee. I've been like working on different work things, but I need to take a break so that I can get ready for my therapy session and then I will be back. Done with therapy. I'm having some lunch. I'm having some leftover rice and steak. I'm gonna try to drink a ton of water. I have to film, so I'm gonna eat and relax for a little bit and then I'm gonna get to filming and then getting ready for the games. Hey guys, okay, we are headed to the Bulls game. I'm with my girlfriend. She looks so beautiful. I quickly did my nails. Did I mess up a little bit? Yeah, but they're kind of cute. What do you think? Okay, we have to go, so I'm not, should I bring the vlog?
If you want, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the vlog, so I'll see you guys later in a second. Okay, so we just got to the game. Hey y'all, it is Tuesday. I'm definitely running late. I'm running late for the gym, so I'm about to like quickly just put my hair in because I'm about to wash it. I have not washed my hair in a long time, so I'm about to wash it. When I get back, I'll probably like make breakfast and then wash it. Outfit for the gym today, she's not that cute, okay, just to be honest. Hopefully I'll be better after this workout. Hey guys, sorry for the weird angle. I just got out of the shower. I literally like did a full shower routine. Like I did, I shaved my legs. I don't even know how long it's been. It's been months since I've shaved my legs. I literally shaved everything. And then I did a mask. I used the Dove mask of brown sugar and coconut butter. I got like a big pack of this and then I've just been using it. So I'll leave it like below. The mask. Use the mask, and I did my body wash, and then I used the body conditioner. Chef's Kiss. It was great. This moisturizing cream by Up and Up. It's like the one, like the CeraVe one, or CeraVe. And then I'm going to use, y'all already know I love Osea Malibu. Oh my god, I love this. This is the Undaria Algae body oil. Love this. So I'll put this one on first and then this one. And in the shower, I shampooed my hair, did conditioner, I did a mask, and then this gel, which is the Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. So I put that on, and now I'm about to do the rest. So let me moisturize and then I'll come back. Okay, I'm all moisturized. So I just have my hair in these two little clips. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some product. My hair's like a little defined right now, but it's not like super defined. I just want to fix my part. I should have done this before. My hair was like a freaking mess, so it didn't really matter. Put this side back up. And people have their thoughts. I tried the I Am Black Girl Curls method and used their products, and it just doesn't have the hole for me. It doesn't give it the look that I want. So this is what I use, the Wetline Extreme Gel. This gives me the perfect wash and go, and I've really like changed a lot of my routine. So I'm just gonna split this. I used to go like section by section. I mean, I used to go like piece by piece by piece, but I don't really do that anymore because I did it like really fast one day and I realized it lasts about the same amount of time. So I just grab some of the gel and I put it on my hands, and then I start at the bottom. So it's very much so like similar to the I Am Black Girl Curls, like their technique, but it's the products that's different. So this is called emulsifying. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about with the I Am Black Girl Curls, I'll leave it linked. There are people that believe in like not using too many oils or anything like that on your hair. Oh my god, y'all, my hair is getting so long. What the heck? I need to go get my hair redone. I probably need a trim. For sure I need a trim. And I need to get my hair redone. My highlights. I need to get my highlights fixed. Okay, so I add a decent amount to the section just like this. So I'm just going up the shaft of the hair. So I start at the bottom and I work my way all the way up. And then this is not a part of their technique, but what I do is I go like this and I get the roots And I honestly feel like this has been the game changer that's like actually changed my wash and go, because I feel like I could never get my wash and go like how I wanted it. Like I would see my curls, but I wouldn't be able to like really capture my curls. And I figured out how to do this like properly like a week before I dyed my hair. So, or maybe like 2 weeks before. So this is how I do it. So it looks like this. And then I'm gonna split it, probably split it twice. So I'll split it this way, and I'll do this side. And I'm really just trying to work the product through, and then I like, technically I guess this is raking it. I'm just really trying to get those roots. And I want everything to be super smooth. So I focus on smoothing everything first, and then I rake. Now I'm done. I'm not gonna spend too much time on each section because it's just gonna take forever. It's gonna look basically the same. So I split that. And same thing on like the roots. I am done now. This is what my hair looks like. Look, it looks pretty good. I'm about to go sit under my hooded dryer, and then I'll probably call it a night. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. There's so much to do. So I'm ready for my baby to come home and hang out with her. So I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, I am back. This is what my hair is looking like. I stretched it. It's not all the way stretched because I didn't get to like band it up at night. I've got a bit of flaking. So in the shower, I did a little too much on the curly magic. It's okay though. It's fine. I think it still looks cute. We're headed to Florida. So I hope, oh my gosh, the vacuum is so loud. Sorry about that. We're headed to Florida technically like tomorrow morning, like super early, like 5 a.m. So yeah, I didn't have the best start of today. Like I didn't work out, I didn't get up like right away. I just had like this searing headache. Acid reflux is getting better, but I think that I've been feeling like this because of the food that we've been eating. We've been eating like really heavy soul food for the last couple of days, and I think my body is just like over it. Like the sodium level, the richness of the food, like I just think that my body can't take it anymore. So yeah, I'm drinking water. Cup is actually from Dollar Tree, so I can't link it. I can link something similar. Glass straw is from Amazon. Love this. It's such a big straw, so I feel like I can drink so much water with it. Making myself another glass of tea or mug of tea, and then I'm getting to filming. I'm not gonna film everything that I set out to film because I still have to remove my nails and I have to pack my makeup bag for the trip, so everything won't be done, but that's fine. You know, we'll live. It is what it is. But while I make my tea, I want to talk to you guys about this. I watched this TikTok and she was talking about her experience at Harvard Law School, and someone was asking her like, did you enjoy your time there? And she was like, simply put, no. And she was talking about like how nothing has radicalized her as much as going to Harvard Law School. And while I didn't go to Harvard, I'm getting my master's degree at University of Chicago. At the end of the quarter, I will have it. I've completed all of my requirements, so I will be getting my master's degree. I'll make a whole vlog about that, and we'll talk about my full experience being there and like the truth, because I'm laying it out. I'm gonna tell the truth, but I felt deep into my core what she said when she said there's nothing that could have radicalized her by going to Harvard Law School. I feel like radicalized might not be like the correct way to say it, but nothing has given me like the full reality, the full picture of things, like getting my master's degree at the University of Chicago. Like UChicago is one of the best institutions in the entire world, and I got the privilege to study there, and I learned a lot. I feel like going to school there made me have to come to terms with knowledge building. So what does it mean for us to go from a theory to this is now new information? It's heavily based in the resources, the access, and who you are, simply. If you look at people who are getting to control what becomes knowledge, like you get to see the people who are controlling knowledge building. I went to Chicago, I was PhD route, and I was going to study the intersection of Black politics and women in politics. Yeah, would I have had a great career in political science? Yes. The reality is there are not that many Black political scientists. There are not that many Black women political scientists. And it's a field that there are so many things that can be researched, because you have all of these old white men that have written all of this stuff, and they have never considered Black people, Black women, people of color in general. And so my point was looking at Like my job, my goal was to look at their work and to look at our society and fill in the blanks. And while that is a beautiful thing, in reality, who does that actually help? I got to really sit with that and be like, who is that actually helping? I have spent all of these years doing all of this research. The people who I actually want to help that are outside of the academy are not going to be able to read it. They're simply, even if they try to read it, first of all, they wouldn't be able to read it because they'd be under paywalls, because they'd be submitting them to journals. They'd all be under paywalls. And even if they were not under paywalls, they'd be book deals, which are still, guess what, under paywalls. Under paywalls. Less paywalls than the journals, but paywalls nonetheless. And even if they wanted to read it, it would be inaccessible. Because the way that we write research papers are for other researchers, not for other like people, not for like the regular, like the general public to read. It's never been about that. And so I said, what the fuck was the point? And then I just simply realized that I would just be writing things for other scholars in the future. And you know what? Would that help other Black women in the future, other Black women scholars? Yeah, but that's not a big enough goal for me. I'm just sorry. Like, and the abuse, oh my God, the abuse that I have to go through as a Black woman in academia, and like, no thanks, no thanks. And I'm not saying that I'll never do it. I just feel like the chances are so low. Yeah, I just want to talk about that because hey y'all, so I'm back. I packed, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm packing. Makeup container thing from Amazon. Zipped up, this is good. If there's any stragglers, I will find them later, but I'm gonna go put this in my suitcase. Okay, so I just have a few last minute things to do. Waiting for Julia to get home so we can get dinner, we can eat, and then we can go to sleep because we have to be up so early. I'm so sorry that I'm not vlogging this experience. I know it's great. I know it's gonna be great. I know that it'll be really fun to vlog, but it'll just be too much. But this is the end of today's video. I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, babes.